little treat.
Yep, favorite one.
Are you excited? You ready to do the hard work? Yes. Here you go. Here's your big challenging puzzle. In case you need to move around.
Okay. Is that a peanut?
Banana chips.
There's so many banana chips right there. This may as well be a whole banana.
Good job, buddy. Oh, you got the lid right off. That's so cute.
He just ripped it off.
You just toss that one.
He just broke it off. Dude,
Oh, back up.
you hit jackpot. You literally just sucked one out there. Just move
Back
that
up.
and you'll get jackpot.
You got it.
He knows instead he just
Does that one come out and it didn't get open?
what's it gonna
I might
happen?
have to put that back in and see if we can get it. Watch it. Oh, you got it.
Oh. Will he hit jackpot?
Here you go, buddy. We'll help you on that one. Use your nose. Is there any more?
Let's see if I
Did
can.
you get this one? Oh, you got that one. You got that one. There's some more up in here. Make sure you check them all, buddy. Back up, Luke. He'll get it. Just let him do his thing. That's part of 15 minutes of mental activity is like 30 minutes of running around the area. It's cold out, so it's good for him.
Jackpot.